Hello friends, today we are going to talk about air purifiers, one of the cornerstones of a healthy life. Introducing the Bean Envy handheld coffee milk frother. This versatile electric hand blender lets you expertly blend cappuccino, matcha latte, macchiato, protein powder mixes, smoothies and more. Bring your favorite coffee shop into your home every morning with this mini frother that lets you experience barista style. Like a professional barista, you'll enjoy creating a rich, creamy foam for your hot and cold drinks. Designed to be powerful and durable, this super fast handheld frother will whip and aerate your foam in just 15 seconds with its 19,000 revolutions per minute battery-powered motor. Featuring an ergonomic silicone rubber handle and stainless steel wand for long-lasting use, this frother can rest on its stylish stainless steel stand. Now it's time to take a look at the product reviews. Positive reviews. 1. This milk frother is great. Making coffee has become much more enjoyable and practical. I was satisfied with the fast shipping and product quality. 2. Excellent product. Easy to use and creates the coffee foam just the way I like it. One of the best milk frothers I have ever bought. 3. The Bean Envy milk frother helped me prepare my coffee professionally at home. Both its performance and quality surprised me. 4. I have been looking for a product like this for a long time and this is exactly what I needed. Very effective and easy to use. 5. This milk frother has completely changed my coffee. I use it to make both espresso and lattes and the results are excellent. Negative reviews. 1. The battery life of the product seems to be a bit short. It could have provided a longer usage time. 2. I lost power after a few uses. It was very effective at first, but its performance decreased over time. 3. Sometimes it can be very noisy when creating coffee foam. I would have preferred a quieter design. 4. The body material seems a bit fragile. I would have preferred a more durable construction. 5. The price is a bit high. There may be more affordable alternatives with similar features. Our other product without slowing down. Hathis-based smart air purifiers for home. Large room HSP001 True HEPA air purifier. The quality of your sleep is always important. This air purifier has an intelligent filter system specially designed for your bedroom. It is effective against pollen, dust, pet dander, VOCs, smoke and odors. Known for its quiet operation, this purifier provides a comfortable environment in your bedroom. You can adjust the fan speed according to your needs and the automatic mode allows real-time adjustments. It features a unique honeycomb-activated carbon filter that absorbs odors, smoke and VOCs. Of course, user reviews are very important to us, so let's take a look together. Positive reviews. 1. Users praise Hathis-based HSP001 for its efficient True HEPA filtration that effectively removes airborne particles and improves indoor air quality. 2. Many reviewers appreciate the quiet operation of the cleaner, allowing it to run smoothly in the background without causing disturbance. 3. Users praise the purifier's ability to effectively cover large rooms, providing clean air throughout the entire space. For many reviewers note that the cleaner is easy to set up and use, with intuitive controls and simple operation. 5. Some users appreciate the HSP001's modern and sleek design that blends well with various home decor. Negative comments. 1. Several users expressed concern about the cost of replacing the True HEPA filter, stating that it can be expensive over time. 2. Some reviewers want additional smart features, such as app connectivity or scheduling options, which this model lacks. 3. A few users find the cleaner's design bulky, which may not fit well in smaller spaces. 4. Several reviewers note that the purifier has limited airflow adjustment options, which may not suit everyone's preferences. 5. Some users notice a slight initial odor emanating from the cleanser on first use, but it dissipates after a while.